Today, we will talk about how to get rid of aphids on roses naturally. Let's have a look at the details. Aphids are small, sap-eating insects that are attracted to roses. While most plants can handle a few aphids without suffering any permanent damage, you may need to take action against aphid infestations if they're damaging or killing your roses. Watering your plants daily is a simple step that you can take to keep aphids off of your plants while keeping them healthy. If watering doesn't prove to be enough, you can introduce predators of the aphid to your garden. If this also proves to be ineffective, you can coat your plants in an organic repellent using soap, garlic, or neem oil. The first method is watering your plants daily. Clip off brown or dying leaves, stems, and petals. Aphids occasionally lay eggs in discolored sections of a plant, so snip them off and throw them out to prevent any future generations of aphids from making it to your garden. You may also want to remove any leaves, stems, or petals that have been heavily damaged by the aphids. Spray your roses with a spray bottle or hose in the morning. Spray your roses with a wide-angle hose attachment first thing in the morning. Set the nozzle on your hose to keep the water flowing as firmly as possible without damaging your roses. While they are obnoxious, aphids aren't particularly nimble or strong. Send the aphids careening into different parts of your garden by hosing them down with water. Water the underside of the rose leaves carefully. Aphids tend to hang out underneath the leaves on a rose plant to stay out of the sun. While watering your plant, place your nozzle low to the ground and angle it upwards to hit the bottom of your plant's leaves and knock off any aphids that are hiding. Repeat this process every day to prevent new aphids from settling in. Water your roses first thing in the morning for 1 to 2 weeks. After several days of repeated watering, you should notice that the aphids are either entirely gone or moving on to another plant. The second method is introducing predators to feed on aphids. Purchase some ladybugs and release them into your garden at night. Purchase 251,500 ladybugs from a gardening or pest control store. Refrigerate your bugs for 20 to 45 minutes and release them late at night to lower the chance that they fly away immediately when you release them. Ladybugs feed on aphids, and a few ladybugs can go a long way when it comes to eliminating pests. Set up some bird feeders around your garden to attract birds. Consider using this option only if you don't want more bugs in your garden. If you don't want to add bugs, set up a few bird feeders around your garden. Add some bird baths and bird houses to make your garden an attractive spot for birds. Wrens, chickadees, and other small birds all love to eat aphids, although it may take them some time to get all of them. Plant nectar-secreting flowers near your roses to attract predators. The nectar will attract predatory insects, which will stick around your garden looking for prey. If your flowers are close enough to your roses, they'll start feeding on the aphids. Lacewings, hoverflies, and wasps are all natural predators of the aphid. And the third method is creating an organic repellent. Create a garlic spray to make a safe repellent. Spray your roses with neem oil to kill aphids and protect your plants. Get a spray bottle filled with pure neem oil and spray your aphid-infested plants 2 to 3 times. Neem oil is a natural pesticide that is distilled from plant seeds, and it will coat the aphids and prevent them from feeding or laying larvae. Try a simple soap and water mixture for mild infestations. Mix 2-3 tablespoons in a spray bottle filled with warm water. Shake the bottle to mix it and spray your infected plants from every direction. The soap-water mixture will harm the aphids and ward them away from your roses. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.